Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I've got this plaque I got at the dollar store, or actually the Reuse It store. I'm just going to pour right over top. It's my Glidden Premium house paint. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do a bloom. I almost have room to do two, but I'm going to just do one big bloom. I'm going to blow with my hair dryer. All right. Just going to show you the colors. Got PBO, opaque, cad orange, quinacridone magenta, PBO iridescent, blue green, where's that one? Oh no, so I'm not using that one. Phthalo turquoise, cad yellow hue, and I have three little piggies. Mermaid, watermelon, and sea glass. I think that's, oh, I have some yellow too. Oh, I have golden yellow, medium yellow. All right, there's the colors that I'm going to use. 8 colors. Okay. See what I'm going to put down first. I'm going to separate the piggies. Last time I did it, I put all the piggies together and they were more like lacing instead of cells. So, okay, this is the cadmium yellow hue. Go put the watermelon on top of that. And then I will put, I'll put some sea glass. Which one was, oh no, that was the watermelon. I'll put the orange next. Put the mermaid. some yellow. I shouldn't have put the yellow on top of that. It's going to make it green. That's okay. Sea glass. It's going to be green now. Magenta. Now the phthalo turquoise. I think I was going to use just white, and I think I'll use white and black cell activator. I'll put a little bit of the orange on top. White. Okay, I'm going to use my hairdryer. Whoa. Oh, that's much better than the last one I did. I put the piggies all together and it was better to have them separated by a regular paint. Wow, that's cool. I think I've got too much white left on here, but sometimes when you use white under the cell activator, the black cell activator, you get the peacock cells. Oh, that's a lot of paint. Let's give it a spin. Oh, I put too much white paint on here and now all my colors are going to come off. Darn, I don't usually do that. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. This is cool. Look at all that prettiness that just came off. I don't want to spin it anymore because I'm losing my gorgeous paint. A little more spin. Okay, I don't want to spin it anymore because I love it the way it is. I don't know which way it looks good. Either way. There you go. There's my bloom. And I'm going to put it in this little piggy group on Facebook. Halloween challenge. All right. The recipes for all my bloom mixtures that I use for blooms and swipes is in the description under the video. Hit the title of the video and you'll get the drop down. There's tutorials and link to the Sheleeart course. You get a 15% discount. So thanks for watching, and I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Hi everyone. Here's my dried, almost dry, 8x10 board that I did the pretty bloom on. I took the box off for a while and forgot about it, and some of it moved a little bit. Plus there was probably a little bit too much paint still left on. It moved right there. But otherwise, it's pretty good. Pretty cells. you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.